You ever feel like managing your business finances is like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube while blindfolded? Yeah, me neither until I started digging into the world of QuickBooks. Look, we all know QuickBooks is the big name, the industry standard. But here's the thing that keeps business owners up at night. How much is this actually going to cost me? And more importantly, am I getting ripped off? Because let's face it, when you're running a business, every dollar counts. You're juggling payroll, invoices, expenses, and trying to figure out if you're even making a profit. And then you have to decipher the cryptic pricing structure of a software that's supposed to make your life easier. It's like they're speaking a different language. I've been there. I've spent countless hours scrolling through their website, trying to compare plans, and honestly, I was more confused than when I started. So, I decided to do a deep dive to break it all down for you to answer the burning question. How much do you actually pay for QuickBooks? Let's start with the basics. QuickBooks isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. They offer different plans, each tailored to specific business needs. And that's where things get complicated. You've got QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and even QuickBooks Self-Employed. Each one has its own pricing tiers, features, and target audience. First up, let's talk about QuickBooks Self-Employed. This is the most basic option, designed for freelancers and independent contractors. Think of it as the bare-bones version, perfect for tracking income and expenses for your side hustle or gig work. The pricing for this is generally the most affordable, but remember, it's also the most limited in terms of features. You're not getting inventory management, payroll, or advanced reporting here. It's primarily focused on helping you estimate and file your quarterly taxes. Now, let's step it up a notch. We're moving into the realm of QuickBooks Online. This is where most small businesses land, and it's also where the pricing gets a bit more nuanced. You have Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. Each tier comes with its own set of features, and the price increases as you climb the ladder. Simple Start is the entry-level plan for small businesses. It's good for basic income and expense tracking, sending invoices, and running simple reports. But it's limited in the number of users and doesn't offer features like bill management or inventory tracking. Then you have Essentials, which adds features like bill management and multi-user access. This is a good option if you have a small team and need to collaborate on your bookkeeping. Plus is where things start to get serious. It includes inventory tracking, project profitability, and more advanced reporting. If you're a product-based business or need robust project management, this is likely the plan for you. And finally, Advanced. This is the top-tier plan, designed for growing businesses with complex needs. It offers features like custom user roles, batch invoicing, and dedicated account management. If you're dealing with a high volume of transactions and need advanced customization, this is your pick. Now, here's the kicker. The pricing for QuickBooks Online is subscription-based. That means you're paying a monthly fee, and that fee can vary depending on the plan you choose. And to add another layer of complexity, QuickBooks frequently offers discounts and promotions, which can make it even harder to figure out the actual cost. But here's a tip. Always check the fine print. Those introductory discounts often expire, and you'll be paying the full price after a few months. So, make sure you understand the long-term cost before you commit. And let's not forget about QuickBooks Desktop. This is the traditional installed software version. It's a one-time purchase, but you'll likely need to pay for annual updates to stay current. This option is less common now, as many businesses are moving to the cloud-based QuickBooks Online, but it's still a viable option for some, especially those with specific industry needs or those who prefer to keep their data on their own servers. The pricing for QuickBooks Desktop depends on the specific version you choose. You have Pro Plus, Premier Plus, and Enterprise. Each version is geared towards different business sizes and needs, and the price reflects that. Now, let's get down to the actual numbers, because that's what you really want to know, right? How much are you going to be shelling out each month or year? For QuickBooks Self-Employed, you're looking at a relatively low monthly fee. It's designed to be affordable for freelancers and gig workers, typically in the range of $15 to $25 per month. For QuickBooks Online, the pricing varies significantly. Simple Start is the most affordable, usually around $30 to $40 per month. Essentials will bump that up to $55 to $70 per month. Plus is typically in the $85 to $100 per month range, and Advanced can easily exceed $200 per month. And for QuickBooks Desktop, you're looking at a one-time purchase price that can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on the version and features you need. Remember, you'll also need to factor in the cost of annual updates if you want to stay current. But here's the thing. These prices are just a starting point. They don't include add-ons like payroll, which can significantly increase your monthly costs. QuickBooks Payroll is a separate subscription, and it's priced based on the number of employees you have. And then there are third-party integrations. QuickBooks integrates with a wide range of apps, but some of those integrations come with their own subscription fees. So, be sure to factor in the cost of any additional software you need to run your business. So, how do you decide which QuickBooks plan is right for you? It all comes down to your specific business needs. First, consider your business size. If you're a sole proprietor or freelancer, QuickBooks Self-Employed might be all you need. If you have a small team, QuickBooks Online Essentials or Plus might be a better fit. And if you're a growing business with complex needs, QuickBooks Online Advanced or Desktop Enterprise might be necessary. Second, think about the features you need. Do you need inventory tracking, project profitability, advanced reporting? Make a list of the features that are essential for your business, and then compare them to the features offered in each QuickBooks plan. Third, consider your budget. How much can you afford to spend on accounting software? Don't just look at the monthly or annual cost. Think about the long-term cost, including add-ons and integrations. And finally, don't be afraid to try before you buy. QuickBooks offers free trials for most of its plans. Take advantage of those trials to see which plan works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.